So jumping into this tutorial, I'm only doing half my face. So it's from the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to use the mixture of greens, blues, and purples and pinks just to get those nice bright colors. I went ahead and did my eyebrow off camera, so you can just see I'm just packing on the color and then blending and then repacking just to get it more pigmented as I can. I want to make sure the crease is well defined, so I'm using purple, and then I'm going to use the pink to smoke out the bottom lash line. This look is completely up to you. I just wanted to do a rainbow bear, so I'm just going to bronze my face and then do some contour and highlighting as well. I originally did this for a school project, but I figured it looked cool enough that why not do a video. So I'm taking the white eyeliner and just gonna go and make a few little, okay, bye Brendel, a few little details. Just gonna cut that crease. I didn't like how it turned out, but I just rolled with it. This is me recording at like 10 o'clock at night to try to get this done for my class. And I wanted to make this more a elongated eye, so I am extending my waterline. As well as putting white on my waterline. And now for eyeliner, just gonna do my everyday wing liner. And then I could not decide what I wanted for my lips, so I just went ahead and just did Huntington Beach from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which love his products. That's what the white's from. It's Weirdo. No, Drug Lore. Sorry. So I added some rhinestones, and it's time to cut this bear. This bear is from an ex-boyfriend, so I figured it was about time to do something with it since it was just sitting in my closet. So I'm just brushing my hair all to the side so I can put this ear on, and then this is me trying to figure out what I wanted. So I just cut off the nose and a little bit of the white and just latex it on here. Latex was such a pain to work with for this look. And so I'm just cutting up pieces and gluing them to my face with latex. Make sure you line up the colors correctly. So since this is a rainbow bear and not a solid bear, you kind of have to line up the colors, figure out where you want the mouth to be, and so on and so forth. So I'm just placing the mouth where I want it to be, where it's gonna best line up. This is why I left some of the white on the nose, that way it just blends better. And then just going ahead and putting up all the other pieces. Make sure you don't get any in your hair, and this is why I put down a pad type thing on my eye to protect it. To finish up this look, I put on an eye and then glued on some pieces on my neck as well as cotton. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you later. Bye!